In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take these templates that I have given you from Clone My Funnel and how to put them in Getresponse correctly, how to make a list, and how to put your links in them. Get into it. Obviously, I'm going to log into my account. When you get the dashboard, it's probably going to look a little bit different because I've customized mine a little bit. But you can see that honestly, it looks kind of daunting, but you really just go to menu. Actually, you go to list. Let's go to list first because you have to create a list. Just go to create a list, put in like legendary, something like that, or whatever you're promoting. You can just do create. And then what you want to do is you want to go back to the menu and then do autoresponders. Okay. Now that we're here, if you have multiple lists, you want to make sure that you're selecting the right one. You just click legendary. If it's the only one, it's the only one that's going to pop up. Then you go to create autoresponder. Now I like to just, for example, like it says email 1, email 2. You can kind of do it like that too if you want to. So just name the email. This isn't what people are going to see. This is just what you're going to see on your back end. So I just put email 1. And if you see it says right here, wait 1 hour. I'm just going to put same time as sign up. You can kind of choose. You can do it with a delay of or exactly at. I'm just going to, right when they click it, I want this email to go to them. Okay. And then what you want to do is let me introduce myself. I actually don't really want that part of it on there. Just say, let me introduce myself. And here's a tip that for some reason I didn't do on here. Sometimes not having capital letters actually helps because it looks more like you're just talking to them like a person instead of like so robotic. Okay, so that's the subject line. So that's where you put that. And then here's the whole base of the email, right? And I'm just going to show you one because you can copy and paste all of them. But what you want to do is copy this, scroll all the way down to this. And I press Control C, or you can literally just do copy, right? I press Control C. And then what you do is you come down here and you do design message. And you can use all these templates and all this weird stuff, but this is more for like big businesses. And I do not recommend any of that stuff really to you. It's better to just have a blank template and just do a blank template. Okay, then there's all this willy-nilly stuff, okay? This is like the layout where you can like drag images on there, you can drag text, but I don't really want any of this stuff, so I'm just gonna I guess you have to put text on there, okay. So just drag text on there, and so you're gonna have to, before you do your email, you're gonna have to put in your address or address, like a PO box or something, because legally you have to have that on there. So that's always gonna be there. But because we already copied and pasted this first email, or copied it, now we just have to paste it. So I just do Control V. Whoa. Oh, I think I know what I have to do. So what you want to do is, so go and highlight this all over again. Do, let's see. I'm just wondering why it was so weird. Let's make this like 14. There you go. So make the size 14, and then my night vision's on. Oh, that's why. Sorry, I have this app that like makes it dark and not white, just for my eyes. Okay, so do that, and then make sure that it's like not huge. Okay, cool. So it says hopefully you had a chance to watch, blah blah blah. And again, you can edit this however you'd like to, but if you go back to this, like the first step, it says put your name in there. So like for me, I would put Logan Kramer, and then what you want to do is highlight that and make it not red anymore. You just, yeah. And then say if you need to watch it again, see the video presentation here. So it's saying put your link in there. So what you want to do is like delete that portion because you don't want them to see that, brackets. And then you go back to legendary like I showed you before. You go to your affiliate, you go to funnels, you go to the best converting one, you go to affiliate links, and you go to that sales page and copy it, right? So then you go back to here and then you'll click on that. Actually, what I would do, I'm going to highlight this. And this button right here is insert link or break the link. So I'm going to remove link, and then I'm going to insert the link, and I'm just going to copy it. See? And that's my affiliate ID. Make sure it's yours, and then do insert. So now when someone clicks on that, it'll go to the sales page. Then it says share a quick story about how being overwhelmed or underpaid or something you wanted to change to create a bond with your prospects. So this is your time to shine. This is like your story. So for me, I used to be a manager. I felt, and this is true, right? Overworked, underappreciated, and more importantly, underpaid. And then you can kind of go on to tell your story, right? Just make sure that all the text is black. Look weird. You can also insert a picture here. You don't have to, but if you did want to insert a picture, just go to image right here. Oh, hold on a second. I just wouldn't insert a picture there, honestly. I'm going to change that on here. We took that off the thing anyways. Okay, and then you so with copywriting, basically that's what we're doing with email. You don't really want it to be like one giant paragraph. You want it to be like very easy to read. So that's why we always have like 1 or 2 spaces in between. Used to be a manager, felt overworked, and more importantly, underpaid. I was getting burnt out, and I needed a solution fast. So again, tell your story. So I started over and switched my. Thankfully, I finally discovered a system that worked. And this is for me, for Legendary, and for you. You know, that's why it's important to go through it and actually like it, see if it's something that you want to do. But promote whatever you want, right? Same thing with dogs. Like, oh, I was struggling so much with my dog. Blah blah blah. Here's a solution that really helped me. Okay. Again, I don't really think that you have to show a picture. Take that off too. Okay. What was the difference maker, you might be wondering? 2 things changed. How I feel it took in marketing, and then right here you want to change it to, you know, whatever. I'm a pretty average dude. For me, I'll just put dad with that. And then you want to take out the red that lives in wherever you're from. I'm from Idaho. Land of the potatoes. Idaho. And it says no Lambos here. You basically want to say that, you know, you're a normal person. You're not crazy. You're not weird. And as you can go see, you go through it still. And then it says right here, sign up with Legendary Marketer. So you want to get rid of this red portion. That'd be kind of weird if they saw that. Then you want to click on this. And remember, you can unlink it. Or you can just click the link here and change it. So you can put your affiliate link in there again. Make sure it's your number. Then do create. And then it says, and then cheers. And then you put your name, right? You can do whatever kind of exit strategy you want. Okay, now that you got that, this is the first email, right? And you just do that with every single email. Let's see here. You can always put an introduction to, like, hey amigo, or whatever you want to do. When you're done with this, there's some pretty cool things you can do. You can spam check it, make sure that, you know, there's no, it's not really like going to spam, and it says, okay, it looks good. You can preview it, but also you can send test message. So I like to do this sometimes, and I send it to like my own email, and it will send me an email, and I'm like, okay, cool, it looks good, right? When you're all done and you've previewed it and all that, you can do next. And then I usually have click tracking and track link clicks on there, and I just do save and publish. That means it will be active. So you do save and publish. No one's on this list, so it doesn't matter. Okay. So then all you do is just go to the next one. So you go back to autoresponder. You click, you know, whatever list you want. You go to, you know, day 2. Or day 1. It would be day 1 because the first one was on day 0. Then you go back to this and you start plugging away. It says wait 4 hours. I'll just do the next day. Okay. So that's pretty much how you do it. It's not terribly bad. You publish it, and then guess what? It's automatically going out to people. Okay. So that's the process. That's how you use this. And then this is exactly how you can continue to make your own emails afterwards, right? This is just, like I said, a basic how to get started. So hopefully that helped out. If you have any questions, again, there's the Facebook group, and we can kind of help you out as we go. But Getresponse is awesome. It gives you like really good analytics, and it's just very good for, I mean, it looks complicated, but it's actually just good for beginners. So, all right, thanks so much. Hopefully this helped out, and we'll see you guys in the next one.